Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a smooth zoom in effect using CapCut. So let's get started. First, open up the CapCut app on your phone. Okay, so once you're on CapCut, select the video you wanted to edit. Once your video is imported, you will see it appear on the timeline. Okay, so now scroll through the timeline and find the part of the video where you wanted to apply the zoom in effect. I will apply it in the start. Okay, so now what you have to do is to simply tap on the video, and here you will see a keyframe icon. Simply tap on it and now drag the video a little, and now simply pinch to zoom in with your fingers, and you don't need to add the keyframe again. CapCut will automatically add a keyframe for you, and if we go back and play this video, you will see a zoom in effect. You can add as many keyframes as you want, and the closer the two keyframes are in the video, the faster the zoom in animation will be. And that's it. That's how you can do the zoom in effect in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.